بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Look at the story and listen it carefully.
Asma is a farmer. She owns a big farm. She plants crops in her fields in the spring. By the time she finishes planting this spring, she will have planted 12 acres of crops. She is going to have planted many crops. Miss Asma must finish planting before it starts to rain. She is working very hard. At this rate, she will have finished planting before it rains. Miss Asma and her horse will have worked many long hours by the time they finish tonight.
Positive form. Subject plus will plus have plus past participle verb.
I will have planted. She will have taught. They will have gone. You will have forgotten. It will have rained a lot. We will have learned future perfect tense.
Won't. The usual way of saying or writing will not. This is not often used in formal writing.
I will not have spoken English. You will not have driven a car. They will not have phoned. Shirish will not have done house chores. It will not have rained a lot. We will not have learnt future perfect tense.
Question form. Will plus subject plus have plus V3, third form of main verb, past participle.
Will you have done the dishes? Will he have written a letter to his friend? Will she have cleaned the house? Will it have rained a lot? Will they have learnt the lesson? Will my father have brushed his teeth?
Future perfect tense.
1. We use the future perfect to say how long for an action that starts before and continues up to another action or time in the future. Usually we need for. We can also use the future perfect continuous here, so we often use the future perfect simple with stative verbs. If we use when, we usually need the present simple.
When we get married, I'll have known Shafiq for 5 years. At 3 o'clock, I'll have been in this office for 24 hours.
They will have played cricket in that field before you reach. I will have shopped at that market before you come.
Sometimes we could also use the present perfect in the same situation. But we like to use the future perfect to make the time an easy number. I've lived here for 11 months and 3 weeks. On Tuesday, I will have lived here for 1 year. 2. We use the future perfect with a future time word, and often with by, to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in the future, but we don't know exactly when.
By 10 o'clock, I will have finished my homework.
By the time I'm 60, I will have retired.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.